Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Sunday, and we're right now packing to go to Orlando. Okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
So we're packing suitcases. We're putting them in the car. Mom went out to go help somebody, and I'm here looking cute as ever. And yeah. I'm gonna send an update when we're on the drive, on the move, because we're not gonna be on the move for a hot minute. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, so we just packed everything. It's so hot outside, so I put on sunglasses. That's my sister. As you can see, we're sitting in the car. Everything's packed, and Dad's still bringing things in. And we're about to go to Florida, y'all. Peace. Say peace.
And Disney. Peace.
Family vacation 2019.
On
our way to Florida.
Nothing, I'll show ya.
Stay tuned.
Look at
Go to Disney.
You're back. The words.
Okay. So we finally left the house, and we're on our way.
Just vlogging.
I'm vlogging. So we're
She's gonna vlog the whole trip and then make a video at the end.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna edit it and it's gonna go on YouTube. Get my money off of it.
Period.
Yeah, Daddy in the house.
Period.
We're praying for Daddy for more success.
Amen.
Keep the family happy.
When I graduate next
We
year,
pray for you
I'm
to
gonna
keep
check myself.
your life happy too.
So hopefully the airport's like 30 to an hour away. So
How
we're
long
gonna
is
be
it
in the
gonna
car.
take?
Like an hour.
To
Do you guys bring your chargers?
Yep, I did.
Okay.
It's
We're not
gonna
going to take this in case
it's gonna
the
take
charge
like
na the
about
motor
an
car.
hour.
Rental.
So it's gonna be a very, very
Oh,
long
okay.
car ride. At the same time, it's gonna be birthday
Yeah.
because it's me and her's first time on an airplane. Her first time getting on an airplane in like a while.
There's also money business.
Yeah. So it's gonna be
Even our
great.
parents for some. Hey guys, I hope this day is a beautiful day and a nice day, and I hope everybody have a great day today and have a good life.
Girl, my story, hurry up.
And don't let the haters like you, okay? Okay? Because you're going to Florida.
Okay. So as you can see, we're wearing our 2019 Disney trip, and there's our name on it, and it's our Orlando shirt. We're gonna wear this to go. We're gonna wear this to Disney. Yeah.
They're going to be put with board and they're very nice.
I know. Okay guys, so we made it to the airport. There's Mom, there's Aisha, here's me, Dad's in the back, and Thai's in the other bag, because we're trying to get our stuff. Anyway, we finally made it, and when we go inside, we're gonna vlog some more. So, all of us got our suitcases, and we're ready to go on this plane. Okay, so we finally made it, as I said. There's Thai, there's Aisha. Finally made it to the airport, finally got it on a better angle. I'm excited. First time on a plane. Sorry, it's really bad angle. I never been inside of the airport like this. So I'm excited. So I guess I'll vlog some more because I'm like I have hashtag no storage. So I'm like Okay. So we're going down the escalator. There's Mom. We finished checking in and everything, so now we're gonna go to our flight. And it's going to be great. Mom's right there.
There she is. One and only.
One and only. Exactly.
There she is.
So we're going. Yeah, we're going down to the escalator to go to our ours is C9. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna get out of here and go to Florida. We're on the train.
Yeah. I don't see much.
There's Daddy.
Yeah, I know, right?
We're on a train.
No.
Never been there?
No.
Get it for this little one.
We made it. If you can see, I don't even know if I can zoom in. It says Orlando. I'm excited. Mom, your phone's ringing. I'll roll it. We're right here, ready for our vacation. Whoop, 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 whoop. We finally made it at our gate. I'm so tired. But
We made it to
our flight, I believe, because I read it's been delayed. So that stinks. But at the same time, I'm excited. I'm excited. So we're going on to the plane. I'm so nervous.
Sorry, let's get by you.
It might be a pilot.
So here's Mom. There's Di. There's me. Here's Mom. That's me.
Yep, that's me.
One leg back now. Put them to your back.
Miss Jojo is calling. It's too late.
Don't eat.
When you get to the flight, put your thing on airplane.
Got it.
Put this only in my bag. Like, open my bag and put it.
So we're about to get on. So we're on the plane. There's Daddy. There's outside.
Yep. Let me see.
I'm not ready. I'm not. I honestly think it's not gonna be that bad. At the same time, I'm so nervous. Like, you know? Like, I'm so nervous. But which is luck. He's just laughing at me because I'm so nervous. Mom says I have to film my reaction when we're taking off, and I don't want to. But Mom says I have to. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take some stories, so I'm gonna go.
Will be occupied, so we do need your assistance with carrying items. Please use small items you're bringing on board, such as backpacks, laptops, computers, purses, underwear,
Going to where?
drinking ever identified.
Florida. To the Disney.
Will be occupied. Once you do pick that paper, please step in out the aisle. Please small items
That's why I'm playing
underneath.
again on my iPad.
That's right. We having fun. We start the vacation already. We are on the plane. Trying to go to the Disney Florida.
I was through the TV anyway.
That's right. That's right.
So I could watch
We
you.
did it.
I can't. They're gonna have to do it themselves.
So as I said before, we're gonna take off, but Mom wanted her own little spice. So we're gonna film the last moment.
What is that? Huh? Yeah, they're up here.
I hope someone's filming Aisha because I'm filming myself as a sacrifice.
Smoke is not allowed all board, including lavatories, special wall virtuals, tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in aircraft lavatories.
Keep a video.
And your DVD shows the
Keep a
latest
video.
restoration flights with the latest information.
Look at it, man.
You're like, I didn't know we were moving back. I'm not crying. I'm moved. We're about to take off, and he's making fun of me.
I think that it's worth it.
They're moving that one backwards, and we're about to. Oh no! What's happening?
That's something to play there. No, I have no idea.
I didn't even know. I was like, we're moving backwards.
Something you play, no idea.
I feel like everybody who's ever been in a plane, when I post this on YouTube, everyone's gonna be like making fun of me. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We're moving sideways. Oh no! Oh no! I don't do this. Oh no! I'm kidding.
Mariama,
I'm getting anxiety. I
calm
can't.
down. Mariama, calm down.
I'm videoing myself.
Calm down, please. Calm down.
I'm getting anxiety.
Huh? You did my video selfie.
It's like me whenever I get on a roller coaster. I'm getting anxiety. Looks so pretty. So we made it to Florida. We're in Orlando. It's like 9 o'clock at night. My dad's behind me. But I'm excited because tomorrow we're gonna go to Universal. Everything's gonna be great. Like, it's gonna be great. And everything. Mom's just looking at me like, what's wrong with you? The thing is, it was not as bad as I expected. Like, Mariama was just kind of talking trash yesterday. Mom. What else to say? There's my mom. We made it. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna go stop and we're gonna have a good time in Florida. So we got our luggage and we're going into the elevator. Sorry, that ain't going. Oh wow, a bigger elevator.
This is big. Number 1, right?
No, we're going to tunnel, right?
One. No problem.
Tunnel is the goat one for parking.
We got one for the rental.
This is a big elevator.
Whoa, we're gonna go and
Yes,
get
yeah.
Okay, so we're finally on the bus. We're gonna go get our rental car. And this is gonna be a great trip. So right now we're at Fox. We're hungry. We're tired.
No, I'm not. I'm hungry.
Yeah, that's what I said. So
I'm not
first
tired.
car that we got, the trunk was too small. The second one that we got, the trunk was also small. So we were like,
We never got a second one.
oh wait, yeah, they gave him an option.
They gave us a wrong key.
Yeah, maybe.
What they paid for, they gave us a small one. So, he know better. So, we're gonna change.
He went. He is over there in the end.
What's his headphones?
So let's just hope that we
We need to
find.
bring the car here because this place is an entrance.
Made it to our resort and it is absolutely amazing. It is beautiful. We have 2 beds, one for me and my sister, one for her to lie. And then I'm gonna give y'all a tour. This is the kitchen. Looks so nice. And then this is the dining room. And then we have the living room. And then we have the parents' room, which is very, very nice, with their little jacuzzi tub and the little private bathroom. And this is so beautiful. Like, Mom, the balcony is connected to your room. The balcony. Yeah, it's connected to your room. It's over there. And yeah, it's also connected to right there too. I'm gonna go out in the balcony. So we're gonna go out in the balcony. There's a pool back here. Mama, come look. Like we're right like in front of the pool.
The pool?
Yeah, come look.
Yeah, it's a pool.
It's right here. Come look. This is the balcony.
This is my bedroom.
Yeah, this is your bedroom, and here's the balcony.
Oh, look the.
Look, and the pool's right there.
Oh my God.
This is our balcony. We get to sit down and
Where are
drink
we
tea.
going to get down?
You go downstairs and just go around.
We go around, go get some fresh air.
Oh, look at it.
This is beautiful.
Gets hype.
Put the light on and take a nice video.
I'm about to say, can the light even turn on? Okay, there we go. It's so nice.
We here.
Here.
We right here. It's too late, but we here.
Oh,
Look,
wow.
Daddy.
There's a hot tub
Look,
too.
Aisha.
That's what I'm finna.
Look, Mary.
There's
Mom,
there's a hot tub right there.
You said I have
Oh
to
my
go in the
God.
That one you can sit in.
You don't have to swim. You can just sit in it and it's just warm water.
Steam.
We're not going to move for another 2 weeks. Let my leg move.
Okay, we need to go inside. I need to finish the tour. I need to finish the tour. I need to finish the tour. I need to finish. Like, you guys have a TV, have your own jacuzzi.
We have TV.
You have a
for
TV.
CNN.
We have TV.
We have a TV too.
But we don't think we're going to watch CNN.
We're tired. The AC is right here. Yeah, we have like a lot of TVs.
All their stuff. You guys take your stuff to your room, please.
Okay. Oh, here's a coffee machine. I'm gonna change. There's nothing like in the drawers because. Oh no, Mom. There's plates. There's plates. There's cups.
Let me see. I want green tea.
Yeah.
I'm coming to warm tea. I'm coming to green tea. Spoons?
Might be down here.
I have plastic spoons somewhere.
Spoons.
Good. Close. That's it. I want to get it for you.
Where's Aisha?
Right here.
Yeah, and then
Whose bag is this?
this is the extra bag. I think it's Mama.
I'll go out to can drink tea.
Yeah, where am I?
They have more bowls here. I know this is
We
big.
can like toast, make ginger.
There's no, we're not gonna make ginger. We're not gonna. There's knives in here. This is really nice. Like there's plates here. There's a fridge that comes with nothing. Okay, that's good. You have a teapot. Oh, and this is an electronic stove, so no gas. Balcony. Yeah. Let me close the balcony for you. Oh, wait.
Yeah, even the one back there.
Yeah, it's already closed.
What about the other one?
They're all closed.
Yeah, they see that say only naked.
Ah, nobody see that naked.
He said,
Close them.
Yeah, just twist it.
this is locked.
Right here.
This is locked. Lock it.
Sophie. You can book some can make it
Oh,
Here we go.
Lock it. That is okay.
This is good.
Mommy, you could charge stuff.
Yeah, this is the charger right there.
Give me your.
My charger head.
This is your charger.
That's-
Let that bring you charge.
Okay. Thank you. This is Dad's phone because mine's dead. But I gotta finish the tour. This is like overtaking. Because we got excited. Okay. Yeah, this is our bathroom. This is the door right there. This is our bathroom. This is our shower. Look how huge our shower is. This is the thing. We have like a blow dryer. We got soap. This is the toilet. Yeah. And then like, oh, we just open the door. Whoa, it's our room. So I forgot to mention that upstairs there's actually a loft with 2 bedrooms. Sorry. Hey guys, so I'm in bed. We finally settled. We finally got a car. Everything today has been so crazy. I'm so tired, but I'm so ready for tomorrow. So good night and see y'all tomorrow.